So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. In example number 1, let us write the standard equation of the circle with the given center and radius. The center is 0, 0. The radius is equal to 13. H is equal to 0 and then K is equal to 0. Let us replace all the value to the given formula. X, the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared. H is 0, k is 0, so that becomes x minus 0 squared plus the quantity y minus 0 squared is equal to 13 squared. So let us solve. So this one is 0, so it means that becomes x squared plus y squared is equal to 169. So the standard form is x squared plus y squared is equal to 169. So as you can see, this is case 1 because the center is 0, 0. So the answer is x squared plus y squared is equal to 169. In example number 2, the center is 5, 7. The radius is equal to 5. And then h is 5. K is equal to 7. Let us write the standard equation of the circle in the given formula. So let us replace H, K, and R. H is equal to 5, K is equal to 7, and then R is equal to 5. As you can see, the rest you need to copy. So that becomes bring down the quantity x minus 5 squared plus the quantity y minus 7 squared is equal to 5 times 5 is 25. So this is the standard equation of the circle. That is case number 2 because the center 5, 7 is not on the origin. How about number 3? The center is negative 5, negative 2. The radius is equal to 3. H is equal to negative 5 and then K is equal to negative 2. Let us replace all the value to the formula. That becomes x minus negative 5. Again, x, copy minus, and then write the parenthesis that is negative because H is negative 5. And then copy plus y minus, write the parenthesis because k is negative 2. So, minus negative 2 squared is equal to the radius. Radius is equal to 3 squared. Negative times negative is x plus 5 squared plus y. Negative times negative is positive 2 and then squared. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So the standard equation of the circle is the quantity x plus 5 squared plus the quantity y plus 2 squared is equal to 9. How about in example number 4? The center is 3, negative 8. The radius is equal to 4. H is equal to 3. And then K is equal to negative 8. Let us replace all the value to the given formula. So that becomes x minus 3. So, walang parenthesis because h is positive. So, that becomes the quantity x minus 3 squared and then plus y minus, let us write the parenthesis because k is negative. So, y minus negative 8 squared is equal to the radius. So, that is equal to 4 squared. So, copy x minus 3 squared, the quantity x minus 3 squared plus y, and then negative times negative is positive 8 squared is equal to 4 times 4 is 16. So the standard equation of the circle is the quantity x minus 3 squared plus the quantity y plus 8 squared is equal to 16. How about number 5? The radius of a circle is 3 square root of 5 units and its center is at negative 2, positive 4. Let us find the equation of the circle. The center is negative 2, 4. The radius is equal to 3 square root of 5. H is equal to negative 2 and then K is equal to positive 4. R is equal to 3 square root of 5. Let us replace all the value to the formula. So that becomes x minus, we need to write the parenthesis because h is negative. So x minus negative 2 square plus y minus 4 square is equal to the radius is 3 square root of 5 square. So that becomes negative times negative is positive. So that becomes the quantity x plus 2 square plus the quantity y minus 4 squared is equal to, we need to multiply 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And then square root of 5 times square root of 5 is square root of 25. And the square root of 25 is equal to 5. Copy the left side, and then 9 times 5 is equal to 45. So the equation of the circle is the quantity x plus 2 squared plus the quantity y minus 4 squared is equal to 45. Instruction: write the standard equation of the circle with the given center and radius. Provide your answers in the comment section. Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.